Hi, I'm Jan, and I just took my first fiddle line class with Michelle, a 2 hour program, and I feel like a different person. It was incredibly relaxing. At the same time, I feel very energized, and I do intend on following up. I learned about this through friends, and I am hooked on it after just a couple of hours. So I think she's got something going here that you should look into. I am a botanist. I spend a lot of time out in the field. About 6 months out of the year, I sleep on the ground and I climb mountains and I am in the backcountry a lot, and I'm very physical, and this I know is going to help me be a better hiker and outdoors person. Thanks very much, Michelle.